Hello, I'm going to upgrade my NAS server and my small Windows PC into one huge system running on Windows. What do I have now is this NAS, probably know it, it's a QNAP TS251 Plus. It's pretty good device, but not enough for me. And the second device what I have is this one. It's a Windows PC for running some Windows services I need to have 24/7. Well, what's the problem? Why am I doing this? It's a little bit unusual, but there are some things on these QNAP NAS which I do not like. Actually, it's at first pretty slow. That's the main reason. I really love the today computer speed, how everything works immediately for each click running on Windows, and it's great. Not with this. It's running on Linux or I don't know what. I don't understand it. I just know the Windows, nothing else. But I'm pretty good in Windows, I guess. And for example, I have connected my cloud accounts to this device to be able to back up all my data on the hard drives, on the only two hard drives which are here inside, to these cloud accounts, and it keeps failing almost every 2 or 3 days. I'm getting some warnings, some errors, and the backup is still not working properly. I even had to schedule restarting of this NAS every 5 days because it always restarts the service for backupping. So that's how I had to solve this failing of this synchronization failures. And another thing I miss when I'm using it as a download station, I miss the possibility to have some kind of watch folder where when I put some torrent file, it will start downloading. There's nothing like this in this NAS. You still have to use the web service, log into the website. Always you have to choose where do you want to save the partial file, where do you want to save the completed file. It's so uncomfortable, and it's so slow, and it's so buggy, and you don't have so much possibilities that you already have if you would run all these services on Windows, like torrent downloading, cloud synchronization, even with several accounts at once. I will show you how to do it. So for now, Windows would give me more possibilities and more higher speed than this device. Then there are some other services like watching some websites. That's what even does not exist on these NASs. So I had to use a second computer, which is this. It's a Windows PC. It's pretty great. It's a FUJITSU PC ESPRIMO. Q900. There is an i5 inside. It's pretty fast with SSD drive. So as you can see now, I'm using two devices to cover my needs, and this is working nice. It's not much. It's not a bad thing, you know. I just need more, I guess. I want to have it more convenient, more fast, and have more possibilities to configure and automatize all the things I need. Therefore, I decided to build a new PC to replace both of these devices. So I will build a Windows PC. So here are the components I'm going to use to build a new PC. As you will see, it's a total overkill. And I don't mind. I just want to have it fast. I don't care how much it costs. I don't care how much energy it consumes. I just want to have it working perfectly and stable and highly customizable. That's my need, and I will pay anything for it. And this I think it's great compromise, and I like to share with you my idea how am I going to solve this situation. So I will do several videos how am I building this computer, so I hope you will subscribe and watch it. So at first, the CPU, that's the total overkill. This is an Intel Core i7-11700. It's the latest generation of Intel Core, and it has 65 watts TDP, I guess. It's just fast, and that's what I need. That's the first thing. Next thing is the hard drive. I choose the cheapest one, NVMe, with at least 2 gigabytes per second transfer rate. This one has 2.4. It's the Western Digital Blue SN550, and it has 500 gigs and 2.4 gigabytes per second. This is for the system, for Windows, and for Windows 10, by the way, Windows 10 Pro, to be specific. Next thing is the memory. It's crucial, 16 gigs and 2 chips. It's 8 gigabytes in each of them. I will run it as dual DDR. It's the 3200 speed. So this again is the cheapest option, and it will be absolutely enough. More than enough, actually. This whole system will be running using this power supply, which is 700 Silentium PC. I don't actually have experience with this brand, so I hope it will be fine. Anyway, I wanted to choose the modular one, and this one is the most cheapest modular one supply I found, and I actually like it. I wanted to have it modular because I need to be able to disconnect some cables to make a room in the make a space in the case, as I will show you in a few seconds. And last thing is my favorite one, motherboard. This is the B560M chipset, and I choose this one because of 2 reasons, or 3. It's pretty cheap due to how much it offers, and it has 2.5 gigabits LAN, which I need, and it has 6 SATA connectors, which will be great for the NAS. I will actually need more than 6, you will see. And yeah, it has a really good price, and I like the design. And last thing, where I'm going to put all this in is into Fractal Design Note case. I actually love the design of this case. As you can see, it has 2 separated parts. This one is for the motherboard and the cards, and this one is for hard drives. As you can see here, you can put inside 4 hard drives. You have 2 these slots, so you can put here inside 8 hard drives. Another 2 hard drives can be put here down. Another hard drives can be put inside behind this front door. So you can get inside about 11 hard drives, I guess. So as you can see, the 6 SATA connectors on this beautiful motherboard is still not enough, but I don't mind. Why am I doing this? Just a little bit recapitulation what I actually need from this system to do. At first, I am using storage for my data on internal hard drives like this. I am putting them into a special cover, and then it looks like this. Okay, so this is how I store my data. I have for now about 20 of these hard drives. I will show you. It's openable here, up. And this is the hard drive. This is great. It has a hole for the SATA, so you can connect it directly to PC, which has a cable going out from its PC. As you can see, all I need to be able to take this hard drive, connect it to any device somewhere in the network, and share it immediately. As you can see, I cannot do this with the NAS because there is no possibility. There is even no SATA connector. Where can I connect this in? So I was using an USB to SATA connector adapter, which works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have to again restart the NAS to see the hard drive connected in the network. So this is over. That's why I need a new system on Windows where this works. The next thing what I need is to have some kind of more convenient way of downloading the files, like something like watch folder. When can I put the torrent file, and when I upload the torrent file to this watch folder, the system will detect it and start the downloading. This is again not possible on this device. I don't know why. This is so basic function. When you compare, for example, one of these services, when you compare downloading using these systems, for example, when you are downloading the torrents using this or any NAS systems running on Linux or whatever it is inside, I don't know, with the download software which already exists for years on Windows, you will find that you have many more possibilities on Windows than on these NASs. So you have to, so you can customize absolutely everything on Windows. Here you can't. Or maybe you do, but you have to learn Linux, PHP. I don't know what it is, and I'm good in Windows, not in Linux. So that's the reason why I'm going to move all these functions to Windows PC, and I will take you through the whole process in several videos. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and let me know in the comments what do you think about my killing configuration of the new PC, which will be real overkill for the things I need. So looking forward to see you again. For now, goodbye.